Let's go ahead and get started by adding an income for Jack and Jill. New to the 25.9 update is this helpful hint page right here, and the new link that explains what gross income is. And there's also a video that you can play by clicking this section, what is income. Let's go ahead and begin the section. Same page here, estimated 2025 household income. We'll be adding Jack's income. Again, new for the 25.9 update is the category in-home support services. We'll go ahead and add that income category later. Let's start by adding the employment income. For this example, let's just say that Jack works for the Acme company and is making $2,500 a month. Next question would be, did Jack first get paid from this job before January 1st, 2025? We'll say no. We'll say yes to this. Does Jack still have this job? Sure. Let's say yes. And do you expect this income to end in the next 12 months? Now, this verbiage is new for 25.9. It used to say the next 4 months. On the 25.9 update, we have changed it to the next 12 months. In this scenario, we'll go ahead and click no and save the income. And we'll go ahead and add an in-home support services income for Jack. We'll just label it IHSS, and we'll say he gets paid $1,200 a month for this one. Did Jack first get this income before January 1st, 2025? We'll say no. We'll say he's new. So 09/01/2025 is when he first got this income. Let's see, you still have this income? Yes. Do you expect this income to end in the next 12 months? We'll say no. The last question is very important. Does Jack live with the individual that they provide care for? If you answer yes, this income will not be counted towards eligibility for premium tax credit. So for this example, we'll go ahead and say no, he doesn't live with the patient, and go ahead and save. We'll be navigated back to the group 1 for income. If he has more income, we can go ahead and add it on this page. For this example, let's go ahead and click to the next group. Next group will be the government and assistance income. If he has any Social Security retirement, Social Security disability, whatever government assistance income, we can add it here. For this example, we'll go ahead and just click on to the next group. Next group will be investment and interest income. Any capital gains or interest income, dividends will need to be added here. If none, we can go ahead and click to the next group. Group 4 is the retirement income. If they don't have any retirement income, retirement or pension or railroad retirement benefits, we can add it here. If not, we can go ahead and proceed to the next income group. The 5th one is education, scholarships, awards, and grants. Again, if they have any of those income, we can go ahead and enter it here on this section. If not, we can go ahead and click to the next group. The last group is other taxable income like rentals, royalties, canceled debts, awards. Any other taxable income will need to be added here if there is any. For this example, let's just go ahead and say they don't, and let's go ahead and click to the next income group. The next section is for the deductions for the year. So any common deductions can be added to this page: student loan, alimony paid, business expenses. If they want to mirror this, that would look like their income tax deduction page, they can do so. If you are not familiar with that, you can consult, or the consumers can consult a professional tax preparer to see what needs and can be added to this section. For this demonstration, let's go ahead and just leave it blank and move on. Jack's summary. This is new to the 25.9 update. The next 12 months income is listed. It's the income from this month onwards to the next. It's not the calculated yearly income. That's from January to December. If you notice, it doesn't match. It's because IHSS income started September 1st. So the eligibility for the remainder of the year will be calculated based on the 34,000 instead of the 44,000. On renewal, it will be based on this 44,000 unless there was a change made before. All right. If this looks incorrect to you and you don't believe it's right, you can go ahead and click here and you can enter in whatever income you believe it should be. For this example, let's just say it's correct. Let's go ahead and cancel that and be done with Jack's income. Again, household income summary now shows yearly calculated household income at 34,800, and the next 12-month household income is at 44,400. Let's say Jill doesn't have any income, so let's go ahead and proceed with the application. We'll be back. We're now back to the household menu with everything lit up in green. Again, if we need to review and make changes to each section, there's a review section there. Click on it and it'll be able to edit any information that you've entered earlier. Let's go ahead and click done. And the application menu now is available for individual information.